Mihang'o ya Arutwo aria maraingira university mwaka wa mbere gwikia ihoya ria kwamukira ngombo cia mathomo itanyitwo gutirihwo kiumia giki niguo kuhe kanya ruhonge rwa HELB oro undu umwe na ruhonge rwa ugai wa kigina kia university kugaya kigina kuri arutwo. Kuringana na ripoti irerekereirio ni Minister wa Githomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU, hari arutwo 269 igana rimwe ria 12 aria magairwo mieke ya kuingira thukuru-ini cia university na TVET ni ruhonge rwa KUBS, no arutwo 268 magana 714 maikitie ihoya ria kwamukira ngombo cia HELB na scholarship, akiuga kuri na mweke kuri arutwo 3,000 magana 608 a university na angi 26,000 magana 790 a TVET aria matari maraiki ihoya.
We are receiving about 2,000 applications per day for universities, and therefore I expect that by Saturday, when the deadline is there, then we will have all the 4,000 being able to apply.
The portal for higher education university funding is still open, and we are appealing to students who have not applied for funding to continue applying through www.hel.co.ke.
Ugukinyeria umuthi university ciamukirite arutwo 121 magana 367 aya ari gicunji kia 86.6 hari igana kia arutwo 140 147 aria matanyitwo kuingira university mwaka uyu.
These students have been able to be admitted, they have started their studies, and we are currently processing their scholarships and loans.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa ngombo cia mathomo ma ngathi cia iguru HELB, ministry ya kigina itanyitwo kwambiriria kurekereria kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo aya ihinda-ini ria ciumia 2 ciukite. Ministry ya githomo igithie na mbere kuhinyiriria rugamiriri a university guthii na mbere kwamukira arutwo ona matari na mbeca.
We shall immediately continue processing the scholarships and the loans and ensure that timely payment is done within the 2 weeks as the CS has promised.
The amount which has been set, which will be given by government, is enough for the operations of the universities, and no university therefore will be required to increase school fees even a single cent.
Muthenya wa ira thirikari kuhitukira ruhonge rwa HELB nirarekereirie muigana wa shiringi bilioni 10.8 cia mathomo na mahuthiro ma arutwo 206 aria maratwarithia na mbere mathomo thukuru-ini cia university na arutwo 72,546 a TVET. Arutwo a university makiamukira ngombo cia gatagati ga shiringi 37,000 na 60,000, nao arutwo a TVET makiamukira ngombo cia gatagati-ini ga shiringi 40,000.
This money is now available in institutions, so the students who are supposed to register by tomorrow, because the deadline is by tomorrow, we have already indicated to the institutions of higher learning to kindly register those students because the money is already available in their banks.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagugena, Wawadurwa.